minus 19. And the determinant of C?
26.
Say it again.
26.
26, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. 24. No, you are not correct here.
That's 34, sir. 32. Not
Huh?
24. That's 32, not 24.
Okay, oh, you are then right. It is my bad. All right. So, that is 32 subtract 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Cool. So this is 5 minus 24, which is a minus 19. This is a 21 minus 10, which is this. So you are very correct. All right. In that case, I can now put it in a different form. 12. And your number 3. What is the value of y in number 3?
4.
4.
Yes.
Then number 4. What is the value of x?
3.
3. In number 5, what is the value of a?
5.
5. In number 6, what is the value of x?
4.
4. Okay. So here, 6 multiplied by 4 is a 24, and 2 multiplied by 12. Okay. So that is 12 subtract 12. Your answer to number 1 is correct. Then in number 2, if x is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, then 9 times 1 is 1, 9 minus 9 is 0. So number 4 is correct. I skipped number 3. Then number 3 is minus 2 multiplied by 10 will give us negative 20. Then 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. So that is a minus 20 minus 20, which is minus 40. So your number 3 is also correct. In number 5, if a is equal to 5, 5 multiplied 5 is 25, and 25, 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, so that is 25 minus 10, that is 15, yeah. Number 5 is correct. Then 4 times 3 is 12 minus 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. So that is going to give us positive 20, correct? So these are all correct. You write it 6 out of 6, including the first one. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The second one is minus, and the third one is plus. So that is what I use. So the first one is plus. The second one now is going to be minus. I will take this number here, 1. When I take that number 1, I'll find the determinant of 2, 5, 1, 3. So what I'll write here is 2, 5, 1, 3. What does it mean? It means that when I take this one, I will close this line and close this line. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So what will be left are those other ones you can see. So the next one is plus. Remember, plus minus plus. So I will take plus again. Plus. And the number there is 2. So I write 2. I take the determinant of. So I will close down this line and close down this line. So what I have left is 2, 4, 1, 0. Can you see it now? So it is on this that I can now begin to work out. So those straight lines means determinant. So I will find the determinant of each of them and multiply it by the scalar value. So what that means is, what I will now do next is like this, 3. Then I come here. 4 multiplied by 3 will give me 12. And 0 multiplied by 4 will give me, by 5 will give me 0. So 12 minus 0 will give me 12. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Next, I have minus into 2 multiplied by 3, you give me 6. And then 1 multiplied by 5 will give me 5. That is now 6 minus 5 is 1. You said something now.
It's 1, it's 1.
Okay, yeah. And you understood why it is 1.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. Now, the next one is 2 multiplied by 0 is 0, minus 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. So 0 minus 4 will give me negative 4. This is now obviously going to give us the actual determinant of that 3 by 3 matrix. So the first one is going to be 36 minus 1 minus 8, which is the sentence as 36 minus 9, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And that is going to give us 27 as the date of A, the determinant of A. So if you have question, you can ask me.
No, I think I understand it correctly.
Okay, so I will do the one that involves negative as well, so that after that, I give you one, you demonstrate your understanding, because the best way to learn is by practicing. If I continue to give you examples without you trying out one and see challenges that can come, especially where you have negative signs, then you may not say that you have mastered it or learned it. All right, going to the example two. Are you with me?
Yes, sir. I've written it down.
Okay, so is matrix two. What I will do? I wish to copy that matrix. Can you tell me what I will write down first? That is one.
1,
Uh-huh.
3, 4, 1, and 0.
1, 0. Yes, that is understanding. What will I write now? As sign, plus or minus?
Minus.
So I have minus, and again I have minus 2 again. The minus is in the formula, then the minus 2 is because I am picking negative 2. I don't know if it makes sense.
Yes, sir.
So I have minus 2 times, so negative 2. So what will I write now in the determinant section? It will be 0, 4,
0, 4.
negative 1, 0, because I'm going to cancel this line and also this. Once I pick this negative 2, I will cancel that line down and then the horizontal line. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the next one will be plus, and that is plus 1. So what will be in the determinant section?
0, 3, minus 1.
Hold on, let me clear it so that you can see it very well. Okay, go ahead.
0, 3, minus 1, 1.
Yes, 0, 3, minus 1, 1. Now, that is what we are going to work with. Therefore, the determinant in the bracket is going to be what?
Sir, I can say, let me solve it.
It will be minus, okay, you say you want to find it. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
That is what will be inside the bracket is what I want, which is the determinant in the first section. That is 1, 0. It looks like 10, but that is 1, 0. So it should be minus 4, so that we don't spend time. Are you with me?
Okay. So I'm calculating everything. I'm moving.
Okay, you are trying to work out everything.
Yes,
No. Work alongside with me. Just be giving me the values so that we work to the
Okay.
end together.
That is minus 4. Next one is 4.
Next
2
one is
bracket
going
4.
to be plus 2 into what?
Bracket
What will
4.
be in the bracket?
4, 4.
Positive 4. Then the next one will be plus 1. What will be in the bracket?
Positive 3.
Eh?
Positive 3.
Okay, because of minus, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. Now, in the first bracket, I now get what? Yeah.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Second one.
8 plus 8.
And then next. So
3.
your final answer is what?
7.
7 is correct. So that is how you find a 3 by 3 determinant matrix. You can see it is quite very easy. It is quite very easy, isn't it? Don't you think so?
Sir. Yes,
All
sir.
right. So with this,
You see, I got 18.
so for matrix C, you got 18. Okay, let's find out if you are correct. So what it means is that if you have 5 here, then this is would be minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2. Then next is minus 2 into 0 times 2 is 0 and 4 times 3 is 12. So that is minus 12. I think I'm correct.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yes.
Next one is plus 1. And I have again 0 times 0 is 0. This time this is minus 4. Minus will give us positive 4. So here is 1. Therefore, this is going to give me minus 10, then plus 12, then plus 4. So these two will be 16.
Plus 24. Plus 24.
Plus 24. Where did you see 24? Okay, this is plus 24. You are right. Plus 24. Good. So 24 plus 4 is 28 minus 10. That is 18. Oh, you are correct. Excellent. Beautiful. You are there. All right. What did you get as the determinant of matrix D?
27, sir.
27. Okay, let's find out if you nailed it correctly. So what it means is that if I keep 2 down, then inside the bracket will now be 4 times 2, 8. This is minus 1. Minus minus is plus. So here will be 9. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
The next one is negative 3. Then this is 3. This times this is 2. And this time this is 5. So 2 minus 5 will give me minus 3.
3.
Yes. The next will be 0. So automatically everything here becomes 0, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Because 0 multiply will give us 0. So we don't need to waste time there. Therefore, this is 18. Then negative times negative is also plus. That is 3 times 3 is a 9. So if we add 9 to 18, will that give us 27? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you are accurate. So you give yourself here 2 marks and give yourself here 2 marks. So on this 3 by 3 matrix determinant, you got also 4 out of 4. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. We now go to the part where an unknown is given to us in a 3 by 3 matrix. That is, when 3 by 3 matrix is given to you and one of the cells, one of the numbers inside the matrix is an unknown letter. Do you understand? So,
Yes, sir.
and the determinant itself is given to us. How are we going to do it? So it's exactly what we did in 2 by 2 matrix. So we simply need to just form an equation. Do you understand? We do exactly what we have learned how to do on finding determinant and equate it to the given determinant. All right. And that will help us to find the unknown. So let's go there. At that, I will write n down and then find the determinant of what? N, 1, 0, n. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Then I have minus 1. Then I have 0, 1, 1, n. And lastly, I have plus 0. And inside it, everything there will now be 0. So we don't need to waste time in it. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
The reason is because of the presence of this 0 here. Therefore, I will now have n into n times n is n squared. Wow. And the 0 times this will give me 0. All right. Next, I have negative 1 into 0 times this is 0, isn't it?
Must be, sir. Yes, sir.
And then 1 times a 1 will give me 1. So that is now minus 1. You get what I mean?
Yes, sir.
So this is we now resort to n times n. Is it going to become, I have n outside, I have n times n. So that will be n cubed now.
Yes, sir.
N cubed. Then this time this will give me plus 1. But the whole thing is equal to what?
24.
24, because the determinant is 24. All right. Let's see what will happen. So working on it, I can now write n cubed plus 1 equal to 24. Quickly, I can write n cubed is equal to 24 minus 23, making n cubed equal
Minus
to 20.
1, minus 1.
Minus 1, sorry. Minus 1. So now, if this is n cubed, we don't have direct cube root of 23,
Yeah, we don't.
isn't it?
Yeah.
If we want to find cube root of 23, it will be like that because it cannot simplify further. X, and then take what? 3, 1, 2, 1. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
The next one, I take minus 1. I take what? Can you tell me what I will take?
Minus 1.
No, 0, 1,
1,
1, 1. Then I take minus 2
No,
into,
plus 2, plus 2.
okay, plus 2. You are right. So what will I take next?
0, 3, 1, 2.
You are right. You are right. So therefore, we now evaluate the matrix part, which means on this case, x now will be what? 3 times 1 minus 2 times 1, which is 1, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then here is 0. This is a minus 1. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
This one now will be 0 minus 3. Okay, so this is what I got. Therefore, I have here to give me x. This multiply this will give me 1. This multiply this will give me minus 6. But remember, all of them will be equal to the determinant here.
Yeah,
It
10.
will be equal to the determinant, which is what?
10.
10, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So beautiful. So moving forward, we now have that 10 is equal to x minus 5. Is it true?
Yes, sir.
And your answer is out. So the value of x is 15. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
X is equal to 15 of m in this matrix.
I got 17/2, which is 8.5.
Okay, 17/2 is what you got?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's test it quickly. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So now 1 times 1 is 1, and this is 0. So we have 1 here. Then
sir.
minus 2 into this will be 0, and this will give us minus 6. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Then lastly is plus m into this will be 0, and this will be minus 2. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So this will now give us 1 here. This time this will give us plus 12. This time this will give us minus 2m. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Everything is equal to negative 4. Is it not what you did?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so therefore, if everything is equal to negative 4, that means I'll have minus 4. Please, this is equal sign. Is equal to, these two together will give me 13 minus 2m. Move it to this side. That is minus 4 minus 13 equal to minus 2m. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so minus 4 minus 13 is 17. Minus 17, then all over minus 2 is equal to m, implying that m is 17 all over 2. Give yourself 3 marks there. Beautiful. Today, I think that was the one you got 3 out of 3. Yeah, that is here. We started from determinant matrix. So 3/3 plus 6/6, that is 9. Plus 4/4, that is 13. Then plus these 3 marks, that is a 16 out of 16. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You did a very wonderful work today. 16 out of 16, making it 100%.
na mbụ agwara m mmadụ si